YouTube, how's it going? John here at Herman Woodworks, getting ready to do another project for the chickens, building a enclosure run for the 50 meat chickens that we recently picked up. Have a bunch of white pine boards that I milled probably 2 years ago. I used a lot of them up on the shed project when I built that, but we got a couple of stragglers. We're going to go ahead and burn these up. A lot of them I had cut at 8-inch and 6-inch, I believe. I'm going to be go ahead and ripping these down to just make a whole bunch of smaller 2x4s. This enclosure run doesn't have to be super stout. And I don't really want to go buy boards at the store. So we're going to make do with what we got. And let's look at a new tool that we got to tackle this project. So picked this up a little while ago on a sale. The Ridgid brush, 18-volt brushless, rear handle circular saw kit, 7 1/4 inch. Here's the model number for anybody interested, R8658K. Comes with a 8 amp hour battery, which is great. I love those. Rapid charger and a bag kit. Don't need those. Got enough of those. But pick this up. Let's get this opened up and get a battery on it. Let's start ripping some boards. Oh, this is a big bag. Don't have one of these. Empty box. Big bag. Usually get all the small bags. Know how to work the zipper. Ooh-wee. Battery in the box. Rapid charger. Rear handle saw. Initially right away already. Metal, nice, not plastic. Obviously the body of it's, the surround's plastic. Got a stud hanger. Dust collection if you're running it. Alright, let's get this battery out and charged. Sorry, and also for anybody wondering, it does come with the blade. Get this put on, get her going. Alright, something additional here. I was looking around. Something I wish they did on their chainsaw. Having the tool for putting the blade on right underneath. Chainsaw has the tool, but it's kind of a pain the way they did it. This is really nice. Alright, simple button lock. In this case, righty loosey. If my fingers cooperate. Snug that up. All right. All right, full disclosure, my 8 amp hour, the 8 ampere battery they send you, obviously it's not charged. This is one freshly charged, another 8 amp hour battery. I'm gonna put this on, and what we're gonna be doing, I already got this 8-inch wide pine board. I already chalked a line down the center. This is, I believe I think this one's either 10 or 11. Let's check. All right, it's 11 foot long. Got about 15 of these or so to rip down. Just got them sitting on these sawhorses. Let's get after it, see how it cuts. It's all rips. Like it. All right, that 24 tooth blade, made short work of that. These are true 2-inch wide. I had milled these. Yeah, I'm ready to go get some more. Let's see how it does. Let's keep going. All right, so we made 6 long cuts. They're 2-inch, true 2-inch pine on a full charge. We're down at 2. Most of the people are going to just be cutting plywood, probably not pushing it through 2-inch 11-foot long boards. Overall, super happy with this. Obviously, I got a bunch of the Ridgid batteries where if I was just really going, doing a bunch more of these, because obviously this would die quick enough. But they do sell, there's plenty of space on this, that if you want to get the 12 amp hour battery to really extend your cut time, battery doesn't feel too warm. I was worried about it overheating pressing through those, but cut like a champ. Give it the thumbs up. Do want to go over real quick. This is the new rear handle Ridgid circular saw. This is the 18-volt top handle. I've had this one for quite some time. This is more standard with what you get in one of their kits. Been a trooper for me. A ton of white on the blade right now from cutting some plastic siding board. But really happy with how this performed. I think it's going to be better getting into some slab wood that I have cut. Like I said, we were cutting this 2-inch thick pine, and it was moving along. Really happy with it. It has a longer deck to be able to really kind of sit flat. Make sure you keep it flat on there. This works great. I've cut a lot of plywood with this. It comes down to a little bit personal preference. I don't feel I have as much control with the top handle, with the rear handle, and then with the accessory handle on the top. You can really push into it if you got a board, clamping it down, really cutting through. Really happy with how this performed. All right, YouTube, that does it for that one. Like I said, thumbs up on this. The deck on this held real true, nice and flat, had no problem on these. The motor pulled right through. Didn't have any hesitation. More hesitation was just me walking with it, stepping around the sawhorses, keeping up with it. It was pushing good through this. So like I said, if you were to do a lot more cutting like this, maybe you'd want to invest in the 12 amp hour battery, extend your cut time some more. As always with the Ridgid stuff, watch for the sales. You know, your Father's Day, a lot of those sales, they run some great deals. A lot of times you either get a free tool or a free battery with whatever you're purchasing, so watch out for those. As always, YouTube, it's been awesome. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, and I'll talk to everyone again soon.